Hello everybody. This is a microscope. This is a microscope. It's a broken microscope. Inside has a little rock inside. The microscope uses the lens of the microscope to microscope the rock, so you can see the fine details inside the rock. That's a real microscope. That is a working microscope. It does not have a rock inside, but it's real. It has lenses on top, so you can view them or something like that. It's a real microscope. Scientists use this to microscope things up to 7,000 times. You can use these thingies as the thingies over here, like that, and microscope them, and yeah, that is a microscope.